Why would I want to get involved in cancer research? From basic science to clinical trials, patients, families, and community members are at the heart of cancer research. When community members and patients are engaged in research, they can bring their unique personal experiences and values to the table. Either as a result of history, healthcare policies, or discriminatory practices, has led to mistrust in biomedical research and hesitation to participate in some communities. In recent years, however, through efforts between researchers and the community, improvements have been made towards rebuilding that trust. When people share their input on general concerns, challenges they face, and questions about overall health, they help shape future research projects. Here are some ways that you can participate in research. Talk about the importance of research with your community. Find a clinical trial at clinicaltrials.gov, Jefferson Clinical Trial Finder, or contact us at SKCC Outreach. Ultimately, we all have a shared goal: to reduce the burden of cancer for everyone.